Hello everyone, I'm Nader. Today I'm going to introduce a theory, Cradle to Cradle. We also can call it say to say. So first of all, what is say to say? According to chapter 10, say to say is a framework which only includes 3 steps: making, using, and recycling. After recycling, it will back to making again. It is a positive and a waste-free framework. It provides new value to those products because people can use those desk products to make another new products as one of the important components. The historical background of say-to-say was, in 2002, non-fiction book by German chemist Michael Bragdon and American architect William MacDonald. Here is a declaration detailing how to make cradle-to-cradle design. It requires a fundamental change in the industry, which is switch from cradle-to-grave model to cradle-to-cradle model. It shows that the reduce and reuse approach continues this cradle-to-grave strategy and requires for more change. William MacDonald said, "We are not only aiming for sustainability. We have to look at everything as a natural." Here's an example. The car is crashed. Now we are not only aiming reducing waste. We look at every broken component as a new product. The tires materials we can use for a new bicycle. The car seat materials we can produce a new armchairs. The broken street lamp we can produce a new wastebasket. The still surviving mirrors we can use for a new glasses or window. The drivers we can use for organ donation. If it's too late, making sausages. Here's a success company example, which is Dutch Plastic Gains, DSM. DSM reuse their plastics to build more new products. The company already has their developed cradle-to-cradle systems and already has their cradle-to-cradle certifications. They also got benefit from cradle-to-cradle system. Communicates strong motivational messages by minimizing its impact on environment. The focus on closed-loop system has led to more product innovation. The current situation of cradle-to-cradle. It's already implemented by some companies, organizations, and government around the world. The most popular places are European countries, North American countries, China, and Japan. In 2012, MBDC turned certification into an independent non-for-profit organization called the Cradle-to-Cradle Product Innovation Institute. It's already agreed by the world. Everything has their own life cycle, from be produced, be used, and be given up. But cradle-to-cradle provides them new life and extends their life. That products can continue alive by another way. It saves the product's value as a new product. Thanks for watching.